Hi, it's Terry Edwards here, Renegade Recruiter. We're the guys at Recruitment and Search Business Owner that come to when they want to scale the business, when they want to take their business to the next level. And over the last, couple of weeks or so, we've been inundated with emails, telephone calls, asking us what should we be doing right now? What should we do? Because the market's flat, and there's no disputing that. There's still business out there, but probably not as much business as there was, 3 or 4 weeks ago. In my experience, recruitment and search business owners fall into two main groups. You've got recruitment and search business owners who spend a lot of time what we call working in the business. So they do the revenue production, they win the business, they deliver on those assignments, they do the invoicing, they answer the phone, they do everything. And what they tend to have there, they haven't got a business, they've got a job. They work and they earn. So that type of recruitment business owner, they're reliant on their own billings, and that is not wise, quite frankly. The other type of recruitment business owner tends to work on their business rather than in their business. So this type of individual, regards to their own personal billings, they still make a really good living because they've created the business, not reliant on their own personal billings. So they tend to have a team that will bill on a regular and consistent basis. One of the things that you want to get your head around is actually creating the business so it's not reliant on your personal billings. And that's something that you can start working on right now. And to do that, you need to step outside the business and almost take a helicopter view of what's going on and start planning for the future. It's a question worth being able to answer. What do you want your business to look like 12 months from now? Specifically, what do you want it to look like? How much do you want to generate? What do you want your average fees to be? Who your ideal clients want to be? But planning for the future is one way of working on your business. Something else to look at is refining your execution. What is it that you do at the moment that you could do even better so it's a better experience for your client, a better experience for your candidate, and ultimately more efficient for you as well as a business owner? If you can answer this question, this will really serve you well. Ask your clients this question. What's your prospects' number one challenge right now? Go away and ask your prospects. Don't go and ask them about recruiting. Ask them, if I could help you overcome the number one challenge in your business right now, what would it be? And they're going to tell you about what's going on in your business, what their number one challenge is. Let me share with you why that question is worthwhile. A number of our clients have gone away and asked that questions of their clients. And the clients, common things like such as cash flow, that's a big issue now for a lot of businesses. And what they've then done is they've created a webinar or created something that's value. So, example, 2 of our clients have created webinars where they've got experts coming in to talk about cash flow within that particular niche. So what they're doing is, and they're then promoting that webinar to not only their existing clients, but also potential clients for the future. See, because what we know is whatever happens, what's going on right now, it will come to an end. Of that, nobody's disputing that. But what would it mean to you and to your business if right now you started to put something together that was helping your prospects right now? So when they're looking for what you do, you're the first name on there that they're going to think of calling. So that's something else you could be doing. But look at creating real value in your business right now, because ultimately that's what it's all about. So start working on the business rather than in the business. If you've got a team, no doubt you're familiar with the 80-20 rule, which means that 20% of your team right now are generating approximately 80% of your revenue. You want to look at that. If you've got underperformers in your team, you really want to look at that and look at ways of either improving those underperformers or perhaps managing them out. Look at the clients that you're working with right now who honestly, they're a pain in the butt. If you've got a client and whenever you see an email from them or whenever you see a call from them, you're going, oh, sugar, this is the last guy I want to speak to. That's a client that's a pain in the butt. You want to look at managing them out. Now, I know that sounds almost outrageous in this current climate, but this is not really the time to do it. And get crystal clear on the sort of clients that you want to work with. For your candidates, again, the same question. Ask your candidates right now, what's their number one challenge? Offer to help them. Offer them genuine help. Again, could you put on a webinar about the 7 essential things you should have on the CV or the resume. But ultimately, what you should be doing now is working on your business and position yourself as a leader. Because looking for a leader. Your clients are looking for a leader, your team are looking for leaders, the market's looking for leaders. And it's the leaders that will ultimately dominate the market when we come out of this. And finally, what I say to you is, look after your mental health and that of your team as well. We're going through some really challenging times now, and it's quite apparent just talking to people, it's having a negative impact on people's people's mental health. Look after your own mental health and help those that perhaps aren't as strong as you. So that's the advice I would give to anybody when they're saying, what should I be doing now in this current climate as the market is a bit flat? If you want any help on this, simply go to makemoreplacements.com/supply. We'll jump on the call and I'll share how you can do some of this so you can create real value in your business and manage your business through these challenging times. Until next time, take care, take action, and be relentless. Thanks for joining me. Hi Julie, hi Holloman, hi Nicola. Great, thanks for joining me, guys. Take care. Bye.